Coyote bears are cousins to the black bear. They like the smell of delicious berry bushes everywhere. Coyote bears come in black and white. Both bears enjoy the daylight. Polar bears live in the Arctic where it is cold. They even so white they match with the snow. The polar bear's feet are like paddle oars and allows them to go and travel places distant and remote. Brown bears live in the forest, mountains where the air is of fish. That's the bear's favorite dish. Brown bears like to go outside during the morning and evening hours of the day, the only times they stay. Black bears enjoy eating a lot of meat. It is their favorite thing to eat. Black bears live in mountains rich with a lot of vegetation. The bears can be seen in the U.S. nation. Some bears are really small bears who live in the lowlands forests of Asia. They take naps in the sun and even when the day has begun. Sloth bear is another bear with shaggy fur who lives in Asia, who's really small. They hunt for dinner until twilight. Grizzly bears hibernate in the winter when there's not enough food. They wake up in the springtime in a brand new life attitude. The backs of the black bears have a unique hump like a camel. Grizzly bears are considered mammals.